भवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्।
I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis. The satsang subject: complete the complication of conflicts. Logic of the group should pulsate in one frequency. Please understand, in Hindu tradition, the Vada Pradivada is done not to conquer the other person, making both logic to pulsate in same frequency. As a nature, the subtlest frequency automatically raises the other logic. Please understand. It's like two forks. One fork vibrating, another fork just simply, if you keep near, this also will start vibrating, because by nature the highest frequency is shared. The authenticity, millions of reasons why you complicate the conflicts. The different logics of Vedanta. Vedanta always wants people first go through this understanding, then infuse energy into your bodies. See, each kriya infuses certain energy into your different layers, awakens certain part of your kundalini. But without authenticity and integrity, when the energy is awakened, there is always a possibility you can misuse in your life those miracle powers received. Please understand one important thing: if you are not serving others, you are harming others. Life happens to you only with others. As I said, you are a father only when you have son. You are an employee only when you have a boss. You are a boss only when you have employee. You are a boss only with employees. You are an employee only with the boss. Either you are serving others or you are harming others. Be very clear. Life happens to you from outside. If you are not serving others, you are harming others. You can't keep quiet. You can't be completely withdrawn. You can, if you have escaped into the Himalayas, not even living with animals, just living with the trees and Ganga, there is a possibility. Everybody is living in society. And as I told, life happens to you guys from outside. You may perceive it inside, but it happens outside. If you are not serving, you are harming. That has to be very clearly internalized. Life shows up inside. What you experience outside, inside what you see may be little perverted, but the base material is from outside. The context is decisive. Please understand. I am connecting 2-3 spare parts. The context is decisive, but happening is in the outside only. My world may give you perverted versions of the world, but the world is there, only then my world can happen. So be very clear, life is happening outside you. What needs to be attended outside, you try to attend inside. What needs to be attended inside, you try to attend outside. If the glass breaks, If the mirror breaks, you try to bury your head. Sometimes if your face is dirty, you try to wipe the dirt of the mirror. Both are wrong. How much you wipe the mirror, the dirt in your face will not go. Same way, don't try to bury your face if the mirror breaks.
Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, March 13th to April 2nd, 2013. Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact 097422-03311. Email ia@nityananda.org.
Hi, I'm Alok Sharma. I live in West Lafayette, Indiana, and I study at Purdue University. I came back for summer vacation, and my parents asked me if I want to come to Inner Awakening, but initially I said no, and somehow by a fateful turn of events, I ended up coming here, and I have not regretted it so far. It's been a great experience. We've been doing a lot of things. Yoga, right now I'm late for yoga, so we've been doing yoga, we've been doing a lot of meditation. The food's great. The people here are wonderful. And more than anything else, it's the development of the inner space that we're all here for. And as of now, I feel I've become a lot calmer than I was before, even though I've done a lot of meditation before. Currently, every day I sleep for about 4 hours, but I'm not cranky. I'm happy, and I think that this would be a transformational program for anyone, regardless of age. Thank you.
ಶಿವ ಎಂದರೆ ಮಂಗಳತ್ವ.
ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 2013 ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಂತ ಅವತಾರ ಪುರುಷರಾದ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರ ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತವಾದ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಾಚರಣೆ, ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಂದ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸತ್ಸಂಗ, ಶಿವಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಕಲ್ಪತರು ದರ್ಶನ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ನಿಮ್ಮೊಳಗಿರುವ ಶಿವ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ 7760980637 ಹಾಗೂ 9611215123.
Vivekananda very beautifully says, I can make even 14-year-old child to understand the Vedanta completely, all the logics. If you don't teach people to serve others, they are going to harm others by the energy and logic and intelligence they receive from you. Bring it authenticity and integrity to them and make them understand contributing others' life is the only way to expand your life. When you don't understand contributing to others' life, committing to make positive difference in other humans' life, if you are endowed with Kundalini awakening and the intelligence, you are a danger to society. In Vedanta, we are always taught from the beginning, your enlightenment is more important, that is more priority. That should be the first priority. World is illusion, serving the world and all is useless. as an experienced Vedanti, I really forgot one truth. Yes, that is, enlightenment is first priority, no doubt. But the energy and the awakening and the intelligence I give these guys, they are not going to be enlightened today. They are going to go out and live with this energy. If they are not taught to serve others, they are going to harm others. First, everyone need to learn authenticity and integrity, learn to commit to life. Please understand, as I said, life is happening outside. Only when you commit, I will make difference to others. That is the way the difference is going to happen in your life. If your boss becomes better boss, only then you are going to become better employee. If your employee becomes better employee, that is the way you are going to become a better boss. If your son is going to become a better son, only then you are going to become a better father. If your father is going to become better father, only then you are going to become better son. If my disciples are going to become better disciples, only then I am going to become better guru. Only by making difference to others, you will be able to make difference to yourself. Commitment to enrich others' life is the method to make difference in others. Please understand. When you make difference in others, making difference in you both will sink and both will rise. To teach you guys to reach out to others, enrich others' life. Constantly you need to enrich others' life. Only then your Kundalini should be awakened. If not, you will be harming others. I have seen. If you don't enrich, you will harm. It is a law of nature. You are constantly living with people. Either with every interaction with your boss, either you make him a better boss or a bad boss. Every interaction with your employee, either you make him a better employee or a bad employee. Every interaction with your spouse, either you make the person as a better spouse or a bad spouse. Every interaction with everyone, you either make them better or bad. There is no the status quo. There is no status quo in cosmic law. Only in country law there is status quo. In cosmic law there is no status quo. With every interaction, either you make your friend better friend or bad friend. With this awakened Kundalini and the intelligence, if you have not learnt how to make them better, how to enrich them, contribute to them, you are dangerous. I pray to Kala Bhairava sincerely and request him sincerely, let authenticity and commitment to the other's life, enriching others' life. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.